exposure to the woods. Again, Eastburg Fire Department, forestry response requested 333 Youngs Road in East Haven for a large outside brush fire with exposure to a shed and a dump truck. Time of your town, 1736. Eastburg Fire Department, second tone, respond to 333 Youngs Road in East Haven, part of a large outside brush fire with exposure to a shed and a dump truck. Update from 911 advised spreading to the woods. See large plumes of black smoke from neighboring roads. Again, Eastburg Fire Department, second tone, respond to the area of 333 Youngs Road in East Haven, part of a large outside brush fire with exposure to a shed and a dump truck. Update from 911 advising possible spreading to the woods. Time of your second tone, 1738. Westburg C2. Westburg C2 advising smoke visible from Route 5 in Westburg, 1740. Eastburg Fire Department, third tone, respond to 333 Youngs Road in East Haven. Report of a large outside brush fire with exposure to a shed and a dump truck spreading to the woods. Received multiple 911 calls on this, reporting smoke can be visible. And Westburg C2 is also advising visible from Westburg, Route 5. Eastburg Fire Department, third tone, 333 Youngs Road in East Haven, part of a large outside brush fire with exposure to a shed and a dump truck. Received multiple 911 calls advising visible smoke. Westburg C2 advising visible from Route 5 in Westburg. Time in zone, 1742. Newark C1, you're on scene advising you have a fully involved structure fire at 1942. Eastburg Fire Department, responded 333 Youngs Road in East Haven. Newark C1 on scene advising fully involved structure fire with exposure to the woods. Eastburg Fire Department, 333 Youngs Road, East Haven, report. Newark C1 on scene with a fully involved structure fire, 1743. Eastburg C2. 10-4, sir. Eastburg Fire Department, Westburg Fire Department, Lindenville Fire Department, Sutton Fire Department, Concord Fire Department, Linden Rescue. fire with exposure to the woods. Again, Eastburg Fire Department, Westburg Fire Department, Lindenville Fire Department, Sutton Fire Department, Concord Fire Department. Second alarm in the town of East Haven, 333 Youngs Road. Report confirmed structure fire with exposure to the woods, 1750. Eastburg Engine 6, been responding for about a minute with 5, 1750. Eastburg West, you're on with 2, 1750. Eastburg Ladder 7, you're on with 2, 1750. Engine 32. Engine 32, you're on with 5, 1751. Tiger 38. Tiger 38, you're on with 2, 1752. Sutton Fire Department, Concord Fire Department, second alarm in the town of East Haven, 333 Youngs Road. Confirmed structure fire with exposure to the woods. Again, Sutton Fire Department, Concord Fire Department, second alarm in the town of East Haven, 333 Youngs Road. Confirmed structure fire with exposure to the woods, 1753. Calyx Street. Calyx Street, you're written off the MVRH for patient transfer to DHMC, 1754. Concord Tiger 1. Concord Tiger 1, you responding to East Haven with 1, 1754. Westburg Engine 1, you're responding with 2, 1754. Sutton Engine 42. Sutton Engine 42, responding with 4, 1755. Eastburg Engine 6, Rescue 4, on scene C2 with command 1758. Eastburg Unicom. Engine 6, Rodney, you have one large outside building to the ground and fully involved, one line stretch, 1758. Eastburg Ladder 7, you're on scene, 1758. Westburg Engine 3, you're on scene, 1801. Sutton Squad 44. Squad 44, you're responding, 1802. 91, you're on scene, 1803. Concord Tiger 1. Southwest that. Unit call and file on you, broken try again. Young Road Command, you have Concord W1 en route with 1. Lindenville, you already know, coming in, and Sutton has Engine 42, Squad 44, I believe, and Westburg Engine 2 is en route as well. Engine 32, you're on scene, 1806. Tiger 38, you're on scene, 1806. Eastburg, you're on scene. Sutton Tanker 43. Tanker 43, you're in to East Haven with 1, 1813. Calyx 3. Calyx 3, you're in to DHMC, 1815. Sutton Engine 42. Sutton Engine 42, you're on scene, 1816. Fire alarm to East Haven Command, Youngs Road Command, project. Sutton Squad 44. Squad 44, you're on scene, 1819. Fire alarm to Eastburg Command, Youngs Road Command, project. Youngs Road Command. Youngs Road Command, I apologize, your transmission was completely broken. Youngs Road Command, rising at par, and looking for a project. You have your first 20-minute mark. Concord Tiger 1. Concord Tiger 1, you're on scene, 1821. Westburg Engine 1. Westburg Engine 1 advising all tankers. Water supplies in development. Haven. Young Road Command. Young Road Command advising you be releasing Sutton units. They're going to be covering Eastburg.
Fire alarm to Sutton Tanker 43, you received your message.
Young Road Command. Young Road Command advising fire's been mostly knocked down, working on the remaining structure. You're releasing Lindenville, 1836. 1838. 42, clear back command. Returning 1841. File on Young Road Command, project. Young Road Command, project. Young Road Command advising operating at
X3.
7 Squad 44. 7 Squad 44, you're clear, returning 1853. Engine 32. Engine 32 advising all Lindenville units are back in quarters.